panel locked. Show access card to the select floor by pressing again. 30. Elevator P.
It's Captain Boss. So the elevator's at the 2 Houston Center in downtown Houston, Texas. I bet handicap notes that the door close button doesn't work. But here we go. Oh, these go pretty fast too. These are KONE Polaris elevators. This place recently went through a massive renovation.
38th floor.
Oh, I had class 11 too.
Elevator P.
I like the sound of those motors. Got P again. I'm only gonna take one ride on these. Door close button worked this time because we gotta listen. Oh, I didn't hear it on this side. Stopping. Going down?
Oh, yeah.
Here you go.
Yep.
Here's another view of the panel, and that'll be it.